Can I get a medium frozen caramelcello? That coffee is gonna be so amazing. This has been a crazy ass morning. I have a meeting in the office today, and it's like a group meeting, but our manager is going to be there. So I'm like, I would like to actually look ready. I usually have a bun up, like mom bun status, everything, because I can't get ready in the mornings. My boyfriend's there, but he's honestly not much help in the mornings. I don't know what else I can do about that, but my 1-year-old is literally into everything. Like, what am I supposed to do? And it's not like I had to shower and totally do my hair. I just had to touch up my hair and then wash my face and do my makeup and then get him ready and fed. Like, it really shouldn't have been like that big of a deal, but literally I had a meltdown this morning. My son was having meltdowns. He's been up since 5. I try not to be naggy and all of that to my boyfriend because he does help a ton. But it's just like, I'm not breastfeeding anymore. There's literally no excuse. Like, it needs to be half and half. I'm really private about our life for his privacy and my privacy, but I need to know if I'm the only one. How do you guys deal with it? Like, please, sorry that my glasses get such a glare, but please let me know how you guys handle it in a positive way, because I don't want to bicker, and I want to be positive for my son and for myself, and to continue to attract positive things into my life and to attract like a positive relationship. So I want to be positive about it, but sometimes, y'all, he makes it so effing hard. I love him so much, and we're meant to be together, and I know that, but like, he just needs to figure it out at this point. Give me some advice. Let me know what you guys do. I'm gonna let you know how this coffee is. Totally worth it. There's a car parked in front of me with someone in it, so sorry for my large pores and this terrible angle. I always take the stairs. Elevators take way too long. But I'm on the 4th floor, so I really can't breathe by the end of it. Here we go. Going home on my lunch. Thank goodness. We made it to 50 subscribers, and I'm so excited. I know it seems so small and silly to be excited, but I am just so excited. I mean, to start with 0, and I didn't have an upload schedule is what I'm trying to say. And so that like took a while. So I really started in August, but then I didn't get consistent until December. And well, didn't like get super serious until December, and then I was consistent probably in February. So yeah, I've only been super consistent for 2 months, and I've been growing so much since then, and I know it's just going to continue to grow, and I'm going to continue to get better and better and be able to upgrade my equipment and have better content, and I'm so excited. And I just want to say thank you so much for following my journey. Please head over to my Instagram as well. I'll link it below now, or it's on the pop-up, and I'm going to really be documenting my growth and experience on my Instagram, and just really keep you guys updated on where I'm at. And you know, I just want it to be a nice space for us to be motivated by one another, and I want to encourage you guys to live out your dreams as well. My big goal is to get to 100 subscribers. Of course, I want to have many more in the future, but I just think it's so important to focus on each milestone, and so I'm doing that right now. First it was 30, now it's, well, first it was like 10 and then 30, now 50. I felt like would never happen, so I'm so excited about that. I put a lot of hard work into my videos, and I know that they're just gonna get better. My next is 100. That is going to be humongous for me. I will do a giveaway. Give me some ideas below. What are some things? Should we do like a $5 gift card to Starbucks, or should we do something to like pamper yourself with? What kind of ideas would be good for a giveaway? Of course, I don't want to spend like too much in like the shipping, so I'm thinking smaller but great quality type thing. Like, do we want gift cards? I don't know. Let me know some ideas below. I want to give back to those who are supporting me living out my dream, and I want to help you guys reach your dreams and goals. So let's chat below, guys. If you're craving fat food but also are trying to be healthy, this turkey bacon sandwich from Arby's is so good. And of course, you gotta have the curly fries, but that's what I'm having for lunch. It is coming down so heavily out there, and the thunder has been outrageous. So I hope it doesn't rain all weekend. We were gonna do yard work. I'm just on my break now for lunch, or not lunch, it's just like a 10-minute break. I'm gonna hurry and put my laundry in. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just gonna hurry. Raining and hailing here like crazy. It is insane. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's day in the life of a working mom office day. And I'm sorry this room is a crazy mess behind me, so I will probably be picking this up, making some dinner, and then just hanging out. We're gonna go to bed early tonight if we can. We are getting up early and going to watch the Avengers movie, so I'm so excited to see that. So but yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Remember, we're doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, so feel free when you get caught vlogging. But feel free to share and everything all over the place. I would appreciate it greatly. Oh my gosh, the room is so embarrassing, but I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. Bye, guys. I'm just now getting to eat. And I didn't have time to make anything, so bagel it is. When he came home, he was mad because he was teething, so it's been quite the night. So I'm just gonna do like a clean after dark, and then go to bed. It was real life. It's not what you plan, but it is what it is. All of our knives were dirty, so trust me, I was cringing too about the spoon. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night. Let me know down below what you're doing for this weekend. I'm hoping to get this video up tonight, which is Friday. I'm boring. This is what it is.